Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I hope that you would be fine since I am also fine. And in this video I am going to show you the 4 steps to resolve the Ads.txt file issue, or you can say that in this video we are going to resolve this Google AdSense issues which is usually faced by the publishers. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our video. So if you are receiving such kind of error which says earnings at risk, you need to fix some ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. So it is the common error that is received by the publishers that get their websites which are new in the search console or the Google indexing, and have this kind of error when they are also running other ads from other ad agencies. So this error doesn't mean that you are having some kind of technical issue, but you have to fix it if you really want to run the Google's ads properly. So what you have to do is to click on the fix now button. After clicking on the fix now button, you would be having such kind of a pop-up on your screen which says that create an ads.txt file for one site. To prevent severe impact on revenue, download an ads.txt file, then upload the file to the root level domain of each site. And here is my website or the domain name that I am using, and this is from the Google's blogspot. It may take a few days for changes to update. If you are using another ad network, as I said before, remember to add the network to the ads.txt file. See the ads.txt guide for more details. This is optional to see the guide. Since I am guiding you, you don't have to worry about this thing. So what you have to do is to click on this download button which is shown below this pop-up button. After clicking the download button, you would be having such a kind of a notepad file or txt file that might be having such text. So what you have to do is to copy all the text through Ctrl+C. After copying the text, you have to go to your Blogger or the WordPress root domain, and if you are using the Blogger content management system, you have to go to its setting, and in its settings there are different options from basic to the privacy, publishing, HTTPS, and we have to just scroll down towards the monetization section. So here it is, our monetization section, and we have to care that we must have enabled custom ads.txt. So we have to enable this. After enabling, we have to click on the customs ads.txt, and here we have paste the copied text. So here we have passed the copied text that we had in our notepad file, and we have to just click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, your error would be removed just after a few days, or at least within 10 days. So I hope that you would have enjoyed our video and might have found this video very useful. I once again request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and support our more technical videos. Thank you very much.